From Temple Update, this is Update Now. I'm Dan Ray, and here's the very latest. Police are still looking for the gunman who wounded a Temple student around 1 a.m. on Saturday along the 1500 block of North 17th Street. After the suspect allegedly attempted a robbery, he shot the student in the hip. The victim was taken to Hahnemann University Hospital and is in stable condition with non-life-threatening injuries. The United States Postal Service computer system was broken into by hackers on Monday. The hackers stole personal data, including social security numbers, birth dates, and addresses from 750,000 employees and retirees. A U.S. official stated that the breach also compromised the data of 2.9 million Postal Service customers. In sports, Temple football suffered two big losses this weekend after falling 16-13 to conference rival Memphis. The team also lost leading receiver Jalen Fitzpatrick after he left the game with ankle and knee injuries. Coach Matt Rhule called Fitzpatrick a game-time decision for Saturday's bout against Penn State. And in weather, temperatures are expected to be in the 60s and mostly sunny before dropping to the high 40s and lows into the 30s on Thursday. Thursday, there's a 30% chance of rain and/or snow showers. That's it for Update Now. For the latest news, check out TempleUpdate.com or search for us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.